Unlocking the secrets of credit card rewards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning with ease and fun. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that many of you have asked about: credit card rewards. Whether you're shopping online, dining out, or booking a flight, understanding this concept can unlock a world of benefits. So, let's get started and demystify what credit card rewards really mean and how you can make the most of them. Credit card rewards are benefits that cardholders earn for making purchases with their credit cards. These rewards come in many forms, including cash back, points, and miles. The idea is simple: the more you use your credit card, the more rewards you accumulate. These rewards can then be redeemed for various perks, such as discounts on purchases, travel bookings, or even as statement credits to offset your bill. Cashback: earn a percentage of your spending back in cash. Points: accumulate points for each dollar spent, which can be redeemed for merchandise, gift cards, or travel. Miles: similar to points, but specifically geared towards travel rewards, like flight bookings or hotel stays. Earning credit card rewards is straightforward. Use your credit card for purchases. However, maximizing your rewards requires a bit of strategy. Here are some tips. Sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer bonus rewards for new customers who spend a certain amount within the first few months. Category bonuses. Some cards offer extra rewards for spending in specific categories, such as dining, groceries, or travel. Special offers. Keep an eye on promotions and partnerships between your credit card and retailers or service providers for additional rewards. Redeeming your rewards is where the fun begins. Here's how you can use your hard-earned rewards. Cashback. Apply cashback directly to your credit card balance or deposit it into your bank account. Points and miles. Redeem points and miles for travel, gift cards, merchandise, or even experiences like concerts and spa days. Combining rewards. Some programs allow you to combine points and miles with others, increasing your redemption value. While credit card rewards can be highly beneficial, it's important to understand the terms and conditions. Pay attention to expiration dates. Some rewards expire if not used within a certain time frame. Earning caps. There may be limits to how much reward you can earn in specific categories. Annual fees. Weigh the cost of any annual fees against the value of the rewards you're likely to earn. That's a wrap on credit card rewards. We hope this video sheds light on how you can take advantage of these perks and make your spending work for you. Remember, the key to maximizing credit card rewards is understanding how they work and using them wisely. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips in our next video. Happy learning and happy spending!